Today we want to look at consonant sounds in English, and our focus shall be on the voiceless sound. But before I proceed, I would want to give a general introduction on consonant sound generally. There are 24 consonant sounds in English language. And out of the 24 sounds, 9 of them are voiceless, while the remaining 15 are voiced. But in today's lesson, like I said earlier, our focus shall be on the 9 voiceless sounds with examples. So the first one on my list is. Now, because of the nature of this sound, voiceless, you are not likely to hear the sound when you produce it. And the major way to differentiate between a voice sound and a voiceless sound is to place your palm on your voice box, or we call it Adam's apple. That is the position of your throat here. If you pronounce the sound and there is vibration, you observe a vibration in your throat or along your voice box, that means such a sound is voiced. But if there is no form of vibration at all, and the voice is hardly, you can hardly hear the sound, then it is a voiceless sound. So all the sounds we are going to treat in today's lesson, you are not likely to hear me. But through the examples, you'll be able to get the actual sound we are talking about and the pronunciation of it. So the first one here is, when you pronounce the sound, the upper lip and the lower lip comes together so that it enables you to have easy pronunciation. But because of the nature, you cannot hear it. But in the examples, you'll be able to hear it better. For instance, we have this in pen, in drop, in pencil, in pin, and pop. So some other words also have it, and we cannot continue to mention them. So the example is just to mention just a few of them. The second sound is the sound. Examples: to, wait, plate, teach, fin, and so on. Then the number 3 is example, we have it in kettle, in king, cry, cream, and awake. The next one is, I do that again, and the sound is, we have it in fin, fish, freedom, find, fresh, and so on and so forth. And number 5, we have, and the sound we have in the words like fin, fin, theater, whiff, and free. The next sound is, this is similar to the sound made by snake, the hissing sound. And we have this in sand, soil, cell, city, and sand. Then the next one, which is number 7, is sh. We have the sound in the word she, in the word dish, and sugar. Then the next one, which is number 8, we have sh. We have this in change, rich, and machine. The last on my list, which is number 9, we have, is pronounced as, and we have it in house, heart, and house. So I have some questions on this to test our understanding of today's lesson, which is on voiceless consonant sounds. Choose the word that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. The first one here is caliph. Caliph. In that word, you notice we have the last sound is pronounced as. Now let's look at the options. We have opponent, perhaps, presently, powerful, powerful. So where we have the sound is in the word powerful, and that is the option D. The next one is church. Church, with CH being our underlined letters, and we are looking for sounds where they have the same sound as sh. Number one, we have feature. We have chief, portion, machine. Machine, church. That sh, you can see it is present in the word machine. So machine is our option here. Then the next one, which is the last for today's lesson, is thought. Thought. We have options like thought, we have theater, we have weather, and we have faith. So the correct option is theater. That is our correct answer. Thanks for watching. God bless you.